So, you don't want anyone to know about your birthday on Facebook? Let me very quickly show you how can you do that. Hello friends, my name is Ankur and you are watching Trio Techies. So friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how can you hide your birthday on Facebook. Let me take you to settings and show you how can you do that. So what you need to do is you need to click on the three bars towards the top right corner of your Facebook app. Once you go there, you will see your name. You need to click on your name. Once you do that, you will reach to your profile. On this profile page, you will have to click on this edit profile option. You have to click on this edit profile option. Once you click on this edit profile option, you will see a page like this where you will see your profile picture, cover photo, avatar, and other details. You need to scroll down till the bottom, and at the bottom you will see a setting which says edit your about info. Click on edit your about info. You will see different options like work, education, places lived, contact info, and all those things. You need to find basic info section. Once you see the basic info section, it will show you your birthday over here. You need to click on edit just next to basic info so as to edit your settings. Once you do that, you will see your birthday over here. You need to click on the icon just next to your birthday in order to hide or show your birthday. Once you click on this icon, you will get three options. One is public, second one is friends, and the third one is only me. Now, as per your need, you can select which option you want. If you select public, then your birthday will be visible to everyone, even outside your friend list. If you select friends, then your birthday will be visible. Then your birthday will be visible only to your friends who are there in your friends list. However, if you select the third option, which is only me, then other than you, nobody else can see your birthday on Facebook. So since here you want to hide your birthday on Facebook, what you need to do is you need to select only me. And similarly, you will have to do this for the birth year as well. Click on this settings icon just next to birth year and select only me. Once you do that, your birthday and birth year will only be visible to you. Nobody else on Facebook can see that. You just need to click on the save button at the bottom of this page, and that's it. So this is how you can hide your birthday on Facebook. If you have any questions around this, please do let us know in the comment section. We will reply to your comment as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, then please do like the video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Alright friends, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care and have a nice day.